Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we received here one of the latest smartwatch from iTel, the iTel Fit O20 Ultra Smartwatch. The O20 Ultra Smartwatch is an upgrade of the Fit O20. So we have here the popular Fit O20, and this time we do have a new version. It's the O20 Ultra Smartwatch. On this video, we are going to explore the design, the specifications, as well as the UI. So we will check, and we'll have a second video for the menus and features. So if you are interested to know more about this wearable, the iTel Fit O20 Ultra Smartwatch, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the Fit O20 Ultra from iTel. Okay, so we have here our packaging. As you can see, it is similar to our Fit O20 when it comes to the design. Okay, we have a preview here of the wearable. Okay, then we have some features here on the side, and at the back we do have the specifications. Okay, so similar format here with our Fit O20. This one, it is marketed with the AI features. Dream big, dream bigger with AI. This time, it's all about the design. Curved to fit every action with ergonomic curve display. Okay, so still compact, simple, and detailed packaging here for our iTel Fit O20 Ultra. Okay, so let's check out the package contents. Let's remove here the plastic for our packaging. Still, it promotes the AI powered watch faces. Alright, so what are the package contents? Let's check. And the contents are, we do have here the smartwatch with the model number ISW O20U US Ultra. Still have here the warranty card. Okay, customer service, warranty certificate. We have the charging cable similar to other Fit or to other iTel smartwatches. We have a pogo pin, USB type A, magnetic. And we have here the smartwatch with a strap attached. Again, here are the contents. We have the smartwatch with a strap attached, charging cable, user manual, and we have the warranty card. Okay. Next, let's have, before we proceed with the specifications, let's have first the dimension. So we have here the smartwatch. Let's remove the plastic cover here. We have the QR code here of the support app. Still, it is using the iPulse application. So we have the smartwatch. Let's check out the dimension here. For the width, again, 0 millimeter, 39.8 for the width. For the length, 51.0. And for the thickness without the sensor here, it is around 11.3 or 11.4 on the middle. Okay, Next for our weight. Let's check out the weight here. We have out here our weighing scale. 0 for the total weight here in grams. With the strap attached, we have 65.46. A bit heavy compared to our Fit O20. Okay, this is due to the metal body frame. Okay, so that's it for our dimensions and weight. So let's proceed with the specifications. Okay, it's a good thing we do have the specs here at the back. Okay, we have a detailed specs here. Let's turn this on first so we can check the screen display. English, we'll skip it. Okay, then let's change the lighter. Okay, watch face. Okay, so we have here the model name ISWO20U. We have a screen size of 2.01 inch TFT. Okay, 240 by 296 pixel resolution. So it is in the mid-range. The application for the smartwatch is the iPulse, available on Android and iOS. What we have here is the titanium gold color. Okay, as stated here, we have the QR code here for the support app. We have the Bluetooth version 5.4. We have the battery capacity of 300 mAh with a lasting time of 3 to 7 days. Standby time of almost 2 weeks, 10 to 15 days. So the charging time is similar to other smartwatches. We do have 2.5 hours. And for the water resistance is IP68. Again, we have here the titanium gold color. It's also available in other color options. I'm going to put it here for more detailed specifications. Okay, let's focus on the specs here. So here's the specifications, and for the detailed specs, I'm going to put it here. Alright, so we're done with the specifications. Next, we'll have the UI of the wearable. Again, we have ergonomic curve display here. Durable zinc alloy bezel and an IP68 waterproof rating. Okay, so for the design, before we proceed with the UI, so here's the design of our smartwatch. Okay, it is similar to the Aulon curve. Okay, when it comes to the design, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, also similar to the Call Me P88 or 68 model. So here's the curve. Okay, slightly curved screen, plastic back cover. We have a rotary button. Okay, no. For the menus, let's see. Yes, it is rotating, not for the watch face. For the screen display, we have 2.01 inch. Okay, and slim up, left and right, but on the bottom part, it is a bit big. We have the speaker here, plastic back cover, again, durable zinc alloy body frame. Sensor, pogo pin. We have a flexible silicone strap here with a stainless steel buckle. Again, here's your smartwatch. Okay, so what do you think of the wearable? Ergonomic. Okay. Then next, let's have the UI. Okay, on top, we have the settings and options here. Then on the bottom part, we have the notifications. Let's see, on the left side, okay, menus, the main menu. On the right side, we have the widgets. I guess you can also access the menu here when you press the power button. Okay, I like the transition here, as you can see. Okay, so that's it for our unboxing review of the iTel Fit O20 Ultra Smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the unboxing review of the Fit O20 Ultra, watch this video. And again, watch for our second unboxing review focusing on the menus and features. Bye!